Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna show you around the Ikea Bombay, and this video is going to be more about the point of view video where you can just see through the store. And basically, if you have not been to Ikea Bombay, this is a nice way to get your eyes on that. And so let me give you basically a bit background of how all of this happened. In January 2023 start or so, I was also living in Chennai. I flew back to Bombay, and this is the first time I was visiting IKEA. And if you guys know, I am super obsessed about this YouTuber Alexandra Gator, and in her most of the interior video design, she uses a lot of IKEA stuff, and that was one of the reason I wanted to visit and check out how their products are in India. Now, from where I see, let me give you a little bit brief and my experience and idea about this store. So, most of the stuff that you see around in IKEA are not that unique as I see on the IKEAs that are not based in India. Their stuff are very limited here. Although the table section and the customizable, wardrobe, they are pretty good because, you don't get those kind of material or stuff to get it done from outside. But if I see the couches or, the other decor stuff, they are pretty basic compared to if you visit IKEA Canada or so. And on the price point of view, I would say, so I'm a person who shop a lot, I thrift a lot of home decors or I DIY it. And one of my, I think, all-time favorite, I think it would be for most people who love decors, they generally ceramics and all are Banjara market. So whenever I travel to Delhi or Gurgaon and it happens, I prefer going there and buying a lot of stuff. Now, if I compare the prices here and to the general market prices, I find IKEA a bit pricey on those aspects where the ceramics and mirrors and those are concerned. But other than that, if you want to just get the utility stuff, it is good. It is fair priced. And there are a few designs that you don't get out. But for me, the kind of designs I like and I loved in the store, they were at the high end. They were really high end priced. So I could have got it somewhere else at even half of the price. That's why I did not choose to buy those stuff from there. But also this store has, as you saw earlier in this video, has a really good food place like any other IKEA buildings. They serve really good and tasty food, and the seatings are also really aesthetic. I loved the decors around. Comparatively, they were beautiful if you compare this to home center or so. And so enjoy this video, and if you have any questions regarding the products or quality, you can comment it down and I will surely answer them.